Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to fix this error USB device not recognized. For that guys, try to launch Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. So now Windows PowerShell will pop up. Just add this command msdt.exe ID device diagnostics. It will open the Windows troubleshooting pop-up. Once the troubleshooting is done, click on type device manager. So device manager you will open, click on open here. Here you can see there is an unknown USB device descriptor request failed. Just click on that, right click update driver. You can do two things here. Search automatically for drivers. If the driver is already there, search for the drivers online. Or you can do browse my computer for drivers. It will browse the entire computer if you have a correct driver. So if it is telling that your best drivers or device already installed, click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So now click on check for updates. So it will check for the latest updates for the driver. So if the updates are there, it will automatically install those updates. So once it is done, disconnect the USB which you're trying to connect and connect it again. So it should work automatically. The error is gone. We got USB serial bus devices. It is working properly. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.